Meaning of invigilation.
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 Invigilation. Invigilation refers to the act of supervising or monitoring an examination or test, typically in a formal setting such as a classroom or exam hall. The purpose of invigilation is to ensure that the rules and regulations of the examination are followed, and to prevent any kind of cheating or misconduct. Invigilators are responsible for maintaining a secure and fair environment for all test takers, and they may perform tasks such as checking identification, distributing and collecting exam materials, and monitoring behavior during the exam.